10 superfoods to maintain a healthy BMI after 60. After the age of 60, maintaining a healthy BMI becomes essential for strength, mobility, and longevity. The body's metabolism slows, and nutritional needs shift. Choosing nutrient-rich superfoods can help balance weight, preserve muscle, and support overall wellness naturally. Here are the 10 best superfoods to maintain a healthy BMI after 60. 1. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein, salmon helps protect the heart and sustain muscle mass, key to maintaining a balanced BMI. 2. Greek yogurt. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports digestion, bone health, and muscle strength without adding extra calories. 3. Quinoa. This whole grain is packed with fiber and complete protein. It helps control appetite and keeps blood sugar stable for better weight management. 4. Blueberries. Loaded with antioxidants, blueberries fight inflammation and support brain health. Their low sugar content makes them ideal for seniors watching their BMI. 5. Spinach. A powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, spinach supports bones and energy levels while being extremely low in calories. 6. Almonds. These crunchy nuts provide healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. They help you feel full longer, reducing the urge for unhealthy snacks. 7. Oats. Rich in fiber, oats support heart health and maintain steady blood sugar levels, helping prevent unwanted weight gain. 8. Avocados. Full of healthy fats and potassium, avocados promote heart wellness and nutrient absorption, making them a smart addition to senior diets. 9. Green tea. Known for boosting metabolism, green tea's antioxidants aid fat burning and help balance body weight over time. 10. Sweet potatoes. A great source of fiber and vitamins, sweet potatoes provide slow energy release, curbing hunger and supporting healthy digestion. Achieving a healthy BMI after 60 doesn't require strict dieting. It's about smart eating choices. Adding these 10 superfoods to daily meals can boost metabolism, improve energy, and promote overall health. Consistency, portion control, and hydration complete the formula for long-term vitality and balance. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.